All right, guys, we are unboxing and checking out this ZOAIVR compressed air duster. This is 130,000 RPMs. This is great for air dusting computer, different pockets in your house, obviously in your car, just kind of breaking up the dust. I was really excited to get this. So this company is blowing up right now. This product alone has sold over 6,000 units in the past month on Amazon, and they have almost 1,000 4.6 average star reviews. When I'm doing my purchases on Amazon, whenever I see a product selling, I would say 300 or more per month, I always zero in on it. And then when they have a ton of I would say I start at 4 to 4.2 stars. But if you're dipping up towards 4.5 and above, that's a really good sign. You got a lot of people buying it and a lot of people liking it. That's why I went ahead and got it. So I'm excited to check this out. Great for keyboards, anything like that. So let's go ahead, unbox it, get it out. Okay, this is very cool. So you actually have a lot of pieces. We've got some brushes that I'm gonna show you. Actually, we'll show you in the bag right there. So we have a lot of brushes and tools. Yeah, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different brush styles for getting in different cracks and crevices. That some of them are a little finer than others and thinner, and some of them are a little more rough, but you have so many options just for getting in and cleaning stuff up. But the thing I'm most excited about is the duster itself. And I already turned it on just by, ooh, there we go. Oh. So it's 4 gears. Obviously, it's very easy to use. We'll show you that in a second. See what we got here. We have a nice little pouch for it, which I think is good. I'm going to keep it, probably going to keep this out on my kind of side table just to be able to use it anytime. So that's nice that you got that pouch there. I'm assuming this is probably the recharger. Oh, they actually have attachments. Okay, this is really nice, dude. So you have, not only do you have 10 brushes, you also have all these different attachments. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different attachments here with different kind of nozzles on it to get different areas. That's very cool as well. You even have one with a brush on the end so you can get the air and also get the brush. So that's cool. There's that. Let's see. Okay, so we put this on. Okay, that's great. Okay. So we have this tool, and then we attach the tools to it to get it more of a fine vibe. What I'm gonna do right now is, you're not really gonna be able to see it, but okay, this is setting 1. Actually, let's do this. That's setting 2. There's 3. So you got 1, 2, 3. That's amazing. Now let's go ahead. And this is the real reason I got it. Perfect. It's getting in there. Now this works really well. And this is the perfect one if you're using it on I'm using it on my MacBook right now. This is perfect because it makes it very narrow and it really pushes the air out. This thing is absolutely amazing, super powerful. I'm glad I got it. I've been meaning to get one of these for a while and I just haven't done it. The other cool thing is I'll just show you is you do have a recharger USB-C. All you do is plug that in there. Other end plugs into a USB port and you're charged up. This thing's absolutely amazing. Highly recommend.